All right, stock number 6276, 97 Jeep Cherokee. This is a two-wheel drive, automatic. Engine sounds beautiful, drives great. Just need a new paint job, some AC service, a little bit of body work there, minor dents. When we're finished with this one's gonna be beautiful. No rust, very clean. All right, let's go for a test drive. Gray interior. Still has the stock radio. All right, let's start her up. Starts right up, and it's 175,000 miles. Manual windows. No check engine light. All right, let's go for a test drive. Very smooth, this one. Engine sounds quiet. Very nice. You guys, this one drives great. Get this one, you guys can, before this one sells, because when we finish this one, body work, paint, and everything, the price is going to increase, and it's probably not going to be available anymore. All right, thank you very much. Bye.